Excuse me, what's going on here?
Hi, we are BRACU Duburi, Bangladesh's first autonomous underwater vehicle team. For this year's ROBOSUB, we are excited to come up with innovative solutions to perform different tasks in the competition. What began as an ambitious idea has evolved into a multidisciplinary team of 30 members. Let's hear it in details from the team.
Building on past year's experience, the autonomous team developed a pipeline for robust underwater navigation, which will help us perform complex ROBOSUB tasks. Are you ready?
There is a famous quote that eyes never lie, and neither does our vision.
Best of luck.
The research and publication team mainly deals with two sectors. First, all the research and development process goes through this team. And second, the contents we see, like the technical design report, is also done by this team.
Control and communication is responsible for the autonomous movements and overall system stability. While the robot operates, we maintain real-time communication with the ground station for testing, validation, and performance monitoring, ensuring the robot operates with precision and confidence.
Operations, the backbone ensuring engineering dreams never fall apart over a missing screw. We handle logistic, testing, inventory to keep the team ready when it matters.
This year, we upgraded our AV system to improve reliability and patient performance. We also developed a custom actuation board to perform action-based tasks precisely, alongside a centralized power management queue switch and telemetry system for safer operation and real-time monitoring. We also created a creative solution to attempt underwater inter-vehicle communication between AVs.
Rather than making new robot every year, we mechanical team are working on our existing AVs. This year, Dumini got 8-thruster configuration. Now both of our AVs are capable of doing every maneuver. Dividing tasks between two AVs is also a part of our game strategy. From the last year performance, we are keeping our existing torpedoes and droppers.
This year, our third generation Evil Claw uses a waterproof stepper motor with a silent driver, and with built-in stall detection system, the moment the soft TPU claws grabs onto an object, the system knows.
Outreach connects Duburi with the local and global sponsors, industry partners, and supporters who make possible the research and development. Making an EUV successful takes engineering, but making a sustainable team takes community binding, which Outreach does by binding the community with it.